Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to easily block internet access for Adobe Photoshop or any app using Windows Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click to open it. This tool lets you control how apps connects to internet. Click on outbound rules here and then left in the left sidebar select new rule on the right. Choose your programs and click next. Then browse to your Photoshop installation folder. Select the Photoshop executable file and then click open, then next. Choose the block, the connection, then click next again. Make sure all three profiles are checked. Now give your rule a name like block Photoshop internet and hit finish. That's it. Photoshop is now blocked from accessing the internet. You can use this method for any other app too. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you need any more help.